Mr. Capert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble parts number 4 and 5 together. Now, what you want to do is first go and do a new design. One thing's really important, this is weird, but you must save this file to start out, otherwise this doesn't work. So make sure you're saving into your practice problems, which mine is already saved into there, and then call this practice assembly number 2, because this is the second one you're going to do. Hit save. I'm not going to hit save because I already have this done. So what you want to do is click and drag both of these in. So bring in part 4, drag it in, and remember you can use the scroll wheel to zoom out. Then you want to bring in part number 5. And you can move them apart from each other using an arrow. So these came in really nice because they are going to go together like this. Hit OK. Now what I want to do is use my joint tool. You can just hit J. If you can't remember that, go up to here and use the drop down. But notice anytime you forget, you can just look back and go, oh yeah, it's J. I'm going to use that sometime. So you want to pick the centroid, the center of this prong. I don't know a better word. Pick that, and it's going to go up against right here. Now, this is going to be offset. It's not going to fit like this. We want a little bit of gap in here. So you're going to do an offset. It's kind of difficult to figure out which coordinate we're talking about, which direction, X, Y, or Z. So what I normally do is drag it. I know it's this way for sure. And notice how the Z offset changes. So I know that this must be the Z direction. So I'm going to do 0.01 inches. Now my old program always defaulted inches, so I always forget to do inches. So hit OK. Look at this directly on. Use the view cube, left click on it, and then zoom in and notice this is good to be printed. It will fit together. The 3D printer is not perfect, but it's accurate enough. If we have gaps like this, they will definitely fit together. So when you guys do your puzzle, I'm going to check that there's a gap here. If there is not a gap all the way around, you're going to have to fix something or redo a part. Make sure you're always going up and you're saving at the end, and make sure that you sign out at the end of the day so someone doesn't mess with your work. Please let me know if you have any questions at all.